Alright, now I'm ready. We all gotta do the normal stuff in the morning, you know? Most of us, hopefully, brush our teeth.
Brush your teeth, keep them looking clean and bright.
You know? And then wash our face.
This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face.
And even, you know, and even sometimes people, you know, they take showers in the morning. We all do the things we have to do in the morning. And as a waiver, it's different. See, as waivers, what we have to do in the morning is a lot different than other people. You know, other people, all they do is they get dressed, wash their face, brush their teeth, take a shower sometimes, and then they out the door. See, waivers, we are different, okay? See, waivers, we are the people that have to get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, get dressed, and then go into a deep brush session, maybe sometimes put some products in our hair. You know, we have to get ready, you know, and get our hair ready for the day more than anybody. We probably spend more time doing our hair than I don't even know. Like, I don't know one person that spends more time in the mirror and getting ready in the morning and at night more than a waiver. Since there's people and people asking me, you know, I don't know what to do in the morning for my waves, you know? Like, after your hair being compressed down that long, you gotta have a method. So you know what? It's time for me to share my morning method with you. So let's cut it, man.
I'm gonna be an asshole.
What's going down, YouTube? It's your boy 360 was here, and I'm back at it again with my morning method video. Alright, guys. I know I have not posted in a while, and you know, and things have been, you know, y'all are like, you know, where are the videos at, man? Where's the consistency that you keep telling them? Like, don't be no hypocrite out here, 360. You know, and I'm not. Alright. What I'm doing right now is I'm working on something special, something that the waiver gang has not seen, and hopefully it'll be motivation for you guys, you know, as either, you know, you could be a straight hair waiver, coarse hair waiver, medium waiver, and you know what, maybe just in general, just a person that needs motivation. I think this video will help. You know, it's supposed to be a dope video. I'm working really hard on the editing and different things, and I just really hope and just trying to get this video to be perfect for you guys. But you know what? Let's not waste no more time, and let's get into this morning method. So, usually, the first thing that y'all are usually gonna do in the morning is y'all gonna have a do-rag on, alright? Now, when y'all have a do-rag on, you guys have been, it's compressed for a long time, maybe at least 6 hours. At least 6 hours. Your hair is compressed down, so when you take it off, that's the first time your hair, you know, gets that relief, all right? Because you have, the hair's been pushed down and all that. So the first thing that I like to do when I get up in the morning is I like to take off my do-rag, you know, and sometimes let it breathe for maybe, you know, maybe a good minute or two. Just let the hair breathe, you know. It just came out the do-rag. Don't go out and, you know, and you know, just go ham on a brush session. You can't do that, man. Your hair needs time. The second thing that I do in the morning is, of course, you know, I grab my comb. And I go around at least once or twice, just going around combing it. Just go around once or twice around the head, and then after that, I just stop. I mean, yeah, just pause for a second. No, just playing, you guys. I go around twice, and then after I go around twice. Usually that's the time when I start getting my clothes on, brush my face, wash my teeth, all that good stuff, you know. And y'all are just like, what? Like, why you do that? Like I said, you know what? what I use the comb for is I use the comb to lift my hair off my head, because it's still going to be compressed down even when you take the do-rag and let it breathe for a second. So I like to go ahead and comb my hair around twice to lift the hair off the scalp, and then I let it breathe a little bit more. You know, I don't just want to go ham on my head. You know, it was just compressed and tied down for a long time. You know what I mean? So, that's the reason why I do it. All right, so now, like, this is the next tip that I do. Okay, this is the next tip. The next tip that I do when after I take my clothes, I'm all dressed and ready to go. All right, now this is what I'm helping you guys, okay? Because I know as a waver it's hard, because you just don't want to dedicate yourself straight to hair, and you're just like, man, I didn't even get ready for work, I didn't get ready for school. But now you're ready, okay? You're ready for school, just in case if something happens, you're like, oh snap, I gotta get out the door, something's happening, then you can. And then you just do it in the car. See, brushing, that's the great thing about brushing, is you can do it anytime, anywhere. I like to use 360 Jeezy's challenge that I believe he came up with. Don't quote me on this one. I believe he calls it the 500 brush challenge, brush stroke challenge, whatever. You guys know what I mean, all right? Now the thing about this challenge is you have to brush 500 times. So going 1, 2, 3, 4, that you know what I get. So after you brush, that's basically the challenge. The challenge is you brush 100 on your right side, then 100 on your left side, then 100 in the front, and 100 in the back, and then 100 in the crown area. That's 500. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Come on, do the math. That's 500. So that's what I use as a gauge, okay? That's actually, when I saw his challenge, I was like, shoot, like, that's perfect. That's a perfect morning method, That is the best morning method thought to my head I ever did. And when I did it, my waves actually improved. My waves improved tremendously after I just brushed 500 times, in the morning, okay? I still brush throughout the day, but just in the morning, that's when I was going ham on the brush sessions, just 500 strokes. And your waves, you would slowly see progress that you've never ever seen before. 360 was a mistake. So guys, let's rewind, recap, okay? So, the thing is so I forgot to tell you guys that, that spray bottle I told you guys to get in my 360 wave beginner method, it's here. Yeah, I told you guys to get a spray bottle. A spray bottle, $1, you can get it at the dollar store for, literally $1 or $2. $1 or $2. And if you're really that cheap to get a water bottle, you literally, turn on the water, rinse your hands, and then just go around your head. And then you let that sit for a little bit. And then you just comb your hair. Then that's when you go around twice. Now let's go back. Now that is it. Okay, now that is it. Everything I've told you, that is completely my methods. All right, literally spray or wet your hands and go around your head and comb. Do whatever you got to do in the morning to get ready. When you're fully ready, then do the 500 stroke challenge, and then that is it. There's nothing else. There's nothing else to it, guys. All right. I've literally showed you guys my morning method. Now, and the thing about me is that I get you guys. I get that you guys, you guys are busy. You guys have other things to do than just sit at home and stare at the mirror all day and just going all day long. I get it. I know some of you guys are just like, waving takes way too much time. I don't got the time to stay in the mirror and just brush all day. Guys, I know what it's like. Guys, I'm an athlete, a student, and trying to become a big YouTuber. I know what it's like. Alright? I know what it's like. I know what it's like. Y'all just don't want to stare in the mirror all day because you just see that as useless time. No, guys. It is ways for you guys to get waves And you know what? That's why I'm here. I'm also not just trying to throw tips at you, but I'm also trying to be considerate toward you guys, you know, because I know you guys have other things to do than just waves. So that's why the tips right there, they're not just, you know, me with just throwing stuff at you. It's me being considerate and me knowing that you guys have other things to do than just waves, all right? You know? So, you know what, guys? I'm not inconsiderate toward you guys. I understand you guys, all right? So if you guys ever want to know anything about waves, if y'all want to make me to make a video about something, I got y'all, all right? But that's the end of this video. You already know. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll meet again. But you know what? It's time to say it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah!